James spent all his money on 6 cupcakes and 11 tarts. Now, if he had bought 7 cupcakes and 2 tarts, he would save $3.60, meaning he would have $3.60 left by using the same amounts of money. Each cupcake costs $1.20 more than each tart. What was the cost of one tart? Now, to do this effectively, a model drawing will work really well. Okay, so the first model is as such. Second model is also the same because he had the same amount of money, right? Now, for the first model, what we can do is to put 6 tarts, or rather, 6 cupcakes and 11 tarts. For the second model, we have 7 cupcakes. So the difference between the first model and the second one, you will still have 6 cupcakes here, but you will have 1 more cupcake here as well, plus 2 tarts. And even then, you will have some money left. $3.60. Okay. In model drawing, whatever is common, we try and draw it one on top of the other. Okay. So what we can see is that this is the repeated identity. This is a common 6 cupcakes, 6 cupcakes here as well, and 11 tarts. What we can also say, it is the same as this section here. 1 cupcake plus 2 tarts plus $3.60. Alright, now what is 1 cupcake? 1 cupcake is $1.20 more than each tart. So instead of having this 1 cupcake over here, we can also have 1 tart, and this section here is $1.20. Alright, so just by comparing this section here, this with this, okay, we know that 11 tarts will be having the same value as this box here. Alright, so if you were to draw this model again, just the green section, 11 tarts will be the same as, combine the tarts that's at the bottom, 1 plus 2, that's 3 tarts. Okay, and $1.20 plus $3.60. $3.60, that will be $4.80. Okay, so this section here will be $4.80, which tells us that 11 minus 3, that is 8 tarts, will have a value of $4.80. 11 tarts minus 3 tarts, 8 tarts. So 8 tarts is equal to, or has a value of $4.80, and 1 tart is just $4.80 divided by 8, 60 cents is our answer for this question.